The 10 Filipino inventors and scientists. Dr. Josette Bio 1960, mathematician and science educator who has championed the promotion of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM education in the Philippines. Carmen Velasquez. Carmen Velasquez, Dr. Carmen Velasquez is recognized in the American Men and Women of Science. She is known in the international who's who of intellectuals. Dr. Fabian Darrett, 1953, chemist who has conducted groundbreaking research on the health benefits of coconut oil and other tropical plant-based oils. Eduardo San Juan. Eduardo San Juan, Dr. San Juan, is a NASA engineer who designed the moon buggy that the Apollo astronauts used on the moon. He uses homemade materials. Archimedes, born c. 287 BCE, Syracuse, Sicily, Italy, died 212–211 BCE. Syracuse was the most famous mathematician and inventor in ancient Greece. He is especially important for his discovery of the relation between the surface and volume of a sphere and its circumscribing cylinder. He is known for his formulation of a hydrostatic principle known as Archimedes' principle and a device for raising water, still used, known as the Archimedes screw. Quintanar Quintin L. February 5, 2018, Dr. Quintin L. Quintanar is recognized for his significant contributions to advancing knowledge in pharmacology and environmental science. Jose Rodriguez, Dr. Jose Rodriguez, bid to stop Hansen's disease, commonly known as leprosy. He then planned a control program that was used here and in other. Padolina, William G. February 7, 2018. Dr. William G. Padolina is recognized for his significant contributions in the field of natural products, chemistry, coconut chemistry, biotechnology. Raymond Cabanos Barba Ons, August 31, 1939, October 10, 2021, was a Filipino inventor and horticulturist. 1-2. He was best known for inventing a way to create more flowers in mango trees using ethyl and potassium nitrate. 3. He was honored as a National Scientist of the Philippines in June 2014. 4. Barbo was born in San Nicolas, Philippines. Lourdes J. Cruz is a Filipino biochemist whose research has contributed to the understanding of the biochemistry of toxic peptides from the venom of fish hunting Canis marine snails. Throughout the Philippines, she is known as the sea snail venom specialist. 10 scientists. Abelardo B. Aguilar. Dr. Abelardo Aguilar is a Filipino scientist and later an Ilonggo physician. In the year 1949, he discovered an antibiotic derived from a strain of bacteria found in his own property. He was testing samples of soils from his backyard and isolated microorganisms. Jose Rizal, born June 19, 1861, Calamba, Philippines, died December 30, 1896. Manilo was a patriot, physician, and man of letters who was an inspiration to the Philippine nationalist movement. The son of a prosperous landowner, Rizal was educated in Manila and at the University of Madrid. A brilliant medical student, he soon committed himself to the reform of Spanish rule in his home country, though he never advocated Philippine independence. Most of his writing was done in Europe, where he resided between 1882 and 1892. Edgardo Dizon Gomez, ONS November 7, 1938, December 1, 2019, was a Filipino biologist who was conferred the rank of National Scientist of the Philippines in 2014. 3. He was a professor emeritus for marine biology at the University of the Philippines Marine Science Institute. Lourdes J. Cruz, born May 19, 1942, is a Filipino biochemist whose research has contributed to the understanding of the biochemistry of toxic peptides from the venom of fish hunting Canis marine snails. 1. Throughout the Philippines, she is known as the sea snail venom specialist. 2. The characterization of over 50 biologically active peptides from the snail's venom had been made possible, in part, by her studies. Scientific findings regarding the peptides found in snails have applications in diagnostic tools for cancers and the development of drugs for the treatment of neurological disorders. 3. She has also contributed to the development of conotoxin. Julian Arca Banzon, March 25, 1908, September 13, 1988, was a Filipino biochemist and a national scientist of the Philippines. 1. Banzon is credited for his research in alternative fuel. He researched on the production of ethyl ester fuels from sugarcane and coconuts and devised a method of extracting residual coconut oil through chemical means. 2. Born March 1st, 1929. Kauyan. Died February 1st, 2023. Dumaguete. Angel Kua Alcala Ans was a Filipino biologist who was named a National Scientist of the Philippines. In 2014, Alcala is known for his fieldwork to build sanctuaries and to promote biodiversity in the aquatic ecosystems of the Philippines. Alfredo Villagracia Lagmay, August 14, 1919, was a respected Filipino psychologist and professor emeritus of psychology at the University of the Philippines Diliman University and trained under the renowned psychologist. Born July 27, 1921. Das Marigas. Died June 2, 2007. Manila. Paulo C. Campos was a Filipino physician and educator noted for his promotion of wider community health care and his achievements in the field of nuclear medicine, for which he was dubbed as the father of nuclear medicine in the Philippines. Fe Villanueva del Mundo, OLD Ons GCGH, born Fe Primitiva del Mundo y Villanueva, the 27th of November 1911. The 6th of August 2011 was a Filipino pediatrician. November 17, 1917. Begin. Died July 1st, 1992. Makati. Dioscoro Lopez Amali was a Filipino agriculturalist and national scientist of the Philippines awardee, known as the father of Philippine plant breeding. He was awarded several international honors and distinctions for his outstanding achievements and improvements of rice, corn, and other economic plants. Group 1. Members: Sarah Con William, Rosales George Angel, Rai Adrian Rodrigo, Brittle John Rosal,